Hi, my name is Brendan Rollins, and I'm the Associate Product Manager for BI and Analytics at CMiC. I'm excited to introduce Ask Al for Analytics, a powerful new AI-driven feature within CMiC. As part of our broader Ask Al initiative, this tool brings intelligent, natural language analytics to our platform, making it easier than ever to gain insights from your data. In this video, I'll start with a brief introduction of the feature and then walk you through a demonstration of how it works within CMiC Analytics. As CMiC continues its journey to be the first fully AI-powered ERP for the construction industry, we're committed to delivering innovative solutions that drive smarter decision-making. CMiC is thrilled to announce the launch of our system-wide AI assistant, Ask Al, powered by the integration of OpenAI's Assistant version 2 API with GPT-4o. This cutting-edge feature revolutionizes data interaction within our analytics platform, making it more intuitive and accessible than ever before. With Ask Al, complex data analytics are transformed into simple conversational exchanges. Users can ask direct questions about their data in natural language, just as they would when consulting a data analyst, enabling swift and efficient insights. This innovation not only democratizes data access across your organization, empowering team members with diverse technical skills to uncover critical business insights, but also dramatically reduces the time required to analyze large data sets. In addition, the conversational AI interface is equipped to understand context and nuance, ensuring that responses are not only accurate, but also relevant to the user's specific queries. This tailored interaction encourages a deeper exploration of data, fostering a more analytical approach among users. As ERP systems continue to generate vast amounts of data, the ability to quickly interpret and act on this data becomes a competitive edge. Our new feature empowers users to leverage this data to drive strategic decisions, optimize operations, and predict market trends more effectively, making it an invaluable tool in today's fast-paced business environment. We have designed dedicated dataset queries specifically tailored for use within the new Ask Al feature. They are seamlessly integrated into our standard objects, and you can see them under every module here. So we've got GL transaction dataset, AP invoices dataset, AR invoices dataset. And these datasets bring together all relevant fields and data for a specific business area, enabling users to efficiently query module-specific information with ease. Currently, standard datasets are available in general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, job costing, and subcontract management. We are actively working to expand this functionality with plans to provide standard datasets for all modules in the near future. So as you can see, this is our standard, these are our standard objects that CMiC offers out of box. And under the modules that I mentioned earlier, you will find the datasets listed. So let's show you how it works. So I'll open up an AR invoices dataset. And once enabled, you will see this Ask Al icon that will appear over every single query within analytics. So these can be standard queries that we have created, or it can be your custom queries that you have created. And when you click on this icon, it will open a chat dialog, which will allow you to ask questions related to the data in the query. So this chat interface provides a conversational experience that enables users to analyze queries, view new visualizations, and export data to formats such as Microsoft Excel and PDF. The large language model can also predict trends, detect anomalies, generate textual summaries, and perform many other advanced data analysis tasks. In essence, you now have a virtual assistant ready to analyze your data right at your fingertips. As you can see, we opened up the AR invoices dataset. So when you open up the chat window, you're going to be prompted with 4 questions. So essentially, these are just AI-generated questions based on the data that you can see in the query. So since it's accounts receivable, let's start by asking a simple question. So list the 5 customers that owe me the most money right now. And this is quite an extensive query. This would be thousands and thousands of rows, because we're looking at every single invoice from the start of 2023. So more than 2 years worth of invoices, and this is all test data, so it's going to be pretty extensive. So what we have here is I told the chatbot Ask Al what to do, and then it responded to me. It said, to determine the 5 customers that owe the most money, we'll analyze the outstanding amount for each customer. So let's process the data to find this information. And then it says the 5 customers that currently owe the most money are, and then it lists them there. Now let's just say we want to see this in another format. So let's just say, show me this in an Excel spreadsheet. So I know this is a basic example, but just showing that whatever question you ask, be a list of values of customers or whatever, you can take that information and export it to Excel just by asking. So you see here there's a link, so you'll click the link, a pop-up will come, and then you will have an Excel spreadsheet here. And as you can see here, it's just those 5 customers with outstanding amounts listed, and it will allow you to format the document as you would see fit. This also provides the ability to show visualizations like pie charts. So let's just say, show me this in a pie chart. And as you can see, it remembers the conversation. So you don't have to re-ask the question. It's going to remember your last question and the context of the conversation when doing things. And I'm purposely not asking it to do things very specifically. I'm just using very short prompts just to show you how intuitive this feature is. And as you can see here, it has now created a pie chart based on percentages. If you wanted, and it automatically comes with the ability to download the pie chart in PDF format. So that's just a quick example of the 2 export features. But let's just show maybe some trends that this chatbot can predict. So let's just say we want to know, so over the past 24 months, which months, or we'll say, show me a breakdown of total outstanding amounts. Okay, so let's just see, this is just to illustrate the fact that over the last 24 months, it's going to be able to take all of the invoices that you have in the AR dataset, and will give you a breakdown of monthly data. And as you can see, it just intuitively created a line chart. So showed the outstanding amounts obviously went up in this month here, and you could do this by customer, you could do this by company, however you'd like to see this data. You can do it by job, because we see that job is in the data set as well. And this is just a quick basic example of how the feature works. Really, there are an endless amount of questions and data that you can get from these data sets by using Ask Al. So just one quick refresher. So on any query, and these can be custom queries, these can be our standard queries, our standard data sets, but on any query within CMiC Analytics, we will now have an Ask Al feature once enabled, and it will allow you to open the conversational exchange and have a conversational exchange with your data in real time to gain insights and to really improve the way that that data is analyzed within your company.